Hello friends and families. Today I am traveling from Bangalore to Chennai in AC sleeper bus and will show how the bus is and what all they provide. Enjoy the vlog. Welcome to MrSammyVlog. I will be taking Shri Sugam travels from Bangalore to Chennai. Bus looks bit new. Interior and exterior looks new and clean. This is one of the top AC sleeper bus in Redbus and I booked the bus through Redbus. The app provides live bus tracking. Interior looks very bright colored with colorful lights for seat numbers. The bus has 32 total sleeper beds. We have dual beds and single beds with little privacy curtains. I booked single sleeper bed. They provide one water bottle with one pack of biscuit. Here we have small luggage or bag space with bottle holder. AC is very good. Next to the seat we have chairing port and USB charging port and mobile holder. AC with reading light. Oh shit, it's not opening. Sorry, it's my first travel in sleeper bus. Pillow is soft and comfy. Blanket is good, hope they wash frequently. Seat is good. Here are the boarding and dropping points. They stop in one rest stop at 12:15 am in the highway. Rest stop is good and washroom is okay. Reached Chennai 5 minutes early. The travel was good. I traveled again after 2 weeks. The curtains and sheets has been changed. I think they was it frequently. Here are the few policies to follow when you travel. Comment your experience in this bus if you have traveled. Subscribe and support.